now it's about 5:30 in the morning. Sorry, that's my brother. So right now it's about 5:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm heading off to us.So because that's where we're gonna meet. Then after that, we're gonna go to Majestic Starbucks. So this is actually a Temiang drive that we're doing. So yeah, of course, you guys probably knew that from the title. But yeah, anyway, I have a friend already who's there who for some reason came out super early already. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so cold morning startup in my 1994 Supra. So yeah, I guess it rained last night. Okay, so this is the lineup this morning. So currently we have a CX-5, a Myvi, and an Ativa. First time I get to see this in person, by foot. My friend's BLM, then my friend's second gen Myvi, of course my car. Then there's a Corolla Altis, which I never expected to see, but it's pretty interesting. And yeah, those are my friends Saga, another Saga. So yeah, we have about 3, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we have almost about 9 cars. And yeah, what's up, bro? Morning. We're waiting for one more car, only.
Oh, what's up, bro?
I think it's David's friend now. So yeah, everybody's just walking around. But yeah, currently it's about 5:55 a.m. But yeah. Okay, so I have my Iswara there. It's my friend's FD. And my friend's Myvi. What's up, bro? Yo, bro.
What's
up? Then this is the Corolla Altis. Yo, what's up, man? My friend Saga, Ativa, Myvi, and then the leading car, which is the CX-5, sorry. So actually, there is one of my other friends who I think he just went to Starbucks to grab a morning coffee. But right now we are at McDonald's right now at Majestic, which is pretty fucking quiet. Not gonna lie.
Very quiet.
Damn quiet. So yeah. I'll be honest with you, I can't exactly keep up, especially with my car, since like it is the slowest among here, and it's also a manual. So there was a breaking point where I think I almost got into an accident, and that was because I had one hand in my arm, the other end I was trying to shift. But yeah, it all turned out so well. But you know, at least it kind of shows me that I still have a long way to go with the car. So of course right now it's only been I think about 3 months, almost 3 months. But yeah, first trip to Negeri Sembilan. Interesting. Alright, so we have reached here to Temiang, and of course my friend Eddie. Yo, and honestly I don't know how to explain this, but if you guys know Evo Club, you will know this MX-5. This belongs to Bang Lim from Evo Club. Of course now she's running her own thing, which is Drop the Top. And yeah, I never expected her to come here. In fact, my friend invited her but never told me, and I was like, you know, kind of like it's a surprise lah. So it's quite interesting. But this is Temiang, and the roads were beautiful. Of course I didn't record most of them, mainly because I thought I lost my phone for a brief moment. But yeah, but shit, okay. But yeah, check out this view. Yeah, and of course that's Bang there. Hi Bang. And it's my Iswara, my lovely Iswara. Then my friends BLM. Of course, you guys already know the lineup lah, essentially. So it's probably just walking the pavement road. And some other cars. So yeah, I was the one leading, but then everybody was like cutting me out. So you know, whatever. My friend Choyang, what's up Choyang?
Hi.
And beautiful FD2.
I want to do it.
Everyone else is here, checking out my friends. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Check out my friends, Myvi. Why not? And my friends Saga, Ativa, and then the Corolla Altis. So yeah, it's quite an interesting drive.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Of course, some people think the road like their grandfather, but still, it's okay.
Because it's small, right? That's why cannot tutup.
Yeah, bro, I was driving chill only lah, bro. I swear, man.
Chill. Too chill maybe, right?
Not
Actually
too
quite
chill.
fast lah, 100
Okay
plus.
lah, not too chill lah. It's just underpowered lah. So it's like not much I can do. Also.
Yeah, you cannot compare with people that is, you know,
Yeah.
higher performance.
Banks how many horsepower? 180 ah.
Thing lah. I don't know. 2.0, I think it's about almost 200. Maybe.
Then it's more powerful than David's car. Alright, and that concludes our entire Temiang drive. Now granted I didn't show a lot of the driving, but I'll try to like put like, you know, portrait clips here and there, you know, to show exactly like our driving. But yeah, today it was a very tiring day, not gonna lie. There's a lot of interesting things happened and unexpected things. But you know, it's my first, well actually technically it's my second drive, but it's my first ever long distance driving. And it's the first time bringing my Iswara to you know, to another state. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end, you know, the vlog over here. I'm actually pretty fucking tired. I left my house around 5:45 and now it's around 1 o'clock. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.